Hello, I'm Fraser from driftworks.com and I'm here with the 720 Style46 wheel. The wheels are really well packaged to make sure they make it to your door nice and safe. Come with a rim protector and a small net for catching small animals. So we're looking at a Style46, which is an 18 by 10.5. So these wheels are a single piece, sporty, really deep concave wheel. So these are available in 18 by 9.5 and 10.5. 5 by 120 for German cars, 5 by 114.3 for most Japanese stuff. So they come in this matte bronze, a hyper black, and a white. At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. You'll find our online shop is simple to use with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world and finance options available for UK customers. As you can see from this small selection of some of our own cars, we absolutely love wheel fitment. So if you need any help with wheel fitment for your own car or any of our other products before placing your order, please drop us an email to shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. I'm Fraser from Driftworks. Thanks for watching.